In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a custom field and start using it to bring more clarity and structure to your tasks. First, open the project where you want to use custom fields. This can be any existing project in Asana, such as a marketing campaign, a product roadmap, or a simple to-do list. Make sure you're in the project view, either in list or board layout, so you can see your task clearly. This is important because custom fields appear alongside your task names and other details. Once your project is open, look towards the top right area of the screen and click on the Customize button. This is where Asana groups all the options that let you tailor the project to your workflow. Opening Customize is your gateway to things like rules, workflows, and what we're focusing on today, fields. Inside the Customize panel, find and click on Fields. This section controls all the columns or data points you can add to your task beyond the standard ones like assignee and due date. Fields are great for tracking things like priority, status, budget, estimated hours, or anything else that matters to your team. Next, click on Add. This shows you the fields that are already available to use, including any that might be shared across your organization. If you see something that fits what you need, you could use an existing field. But if you want something tailored specifically to this process or project, you'll want to create your own. To do that, click on Create New. This tells Asana that you're setting up a brand new custom field from scratch instead of reusing one. A setup window will appear where you can define what this field will look like and how it will behave. Now, fill in the details for your new field. Start by giving it a clear, descriptive name so your teammates immediately understand what it's for, like priority, stage, or why. Client budget. Choose the field type that best matches the kind of data you'll track, such as a drop-down for predefined options, a number field for metrics, or text for short notes. You can also add options for drop-down fields, pick colors to make them easy to scan, and, if available, decide whether the field should be shared across other projects. When everything looks good, click on Create